I want to turn myself into the Grinch. I don't know what my settings need to be for this ring light. Like just, oh god. I'm gonna trap all my hair. I've got a giant bag of cotton balls. They unroll apparently, like that. Coat the cotton in latex and then you put it where you want it to go. Ho ho ho. But this is the other thing that I'm kind of worried about. Oh, she real liquidy. Oh, isn't it? It doesn't smell too bad. It definitely has like a strong ammonium hydroxide. Keep it away from bleach, maybe? Ooh. Ew, are those chunks? So my thinking is that I'm probably gonna try to like approach this like I would paper mache. I want to like dab dab dab. Okay. I'm scared. Oh, it's straight up glue. I feel like the first thing I need to do is build up this here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm already getting the Who vibes. I feel like I have a face for a Who. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Oh crap. This stuff is so sticky. Like it really is just straight up glue. Should I just use my nose? Like should I just connect them? Is my face that similar to a Who that it's just a matter of connecting these two pieces? I think it is. Okay. I look like a rabbit. This is difficult. I'm covering myself up. I'm sorry. Crap. It's in my mouth. Ew. I hope this is non-toxic. I should have started with something a little easier. See, look, it's like glue. It's pretty satisfying peeling it off. Oh my god, I'll be able to just like peel my face off, hopefully. Ooh, that kind of looks nice. It's coming along. I just have a nose for a Grinch. Look at it. See, look at that. I'm hiding my face again, aren't I? Sorry. Like I said, I'm getting used to this. I've never done this before. I put another layer of glue on my eyebrows. I'm not super worried about how flat they are. I just want them to not be ripped out once I remove everything. Oh my god. Oh, my nose itches right under here. What am I gonna do? Oh my god. Oh no. Oh, that's bad. Oh, as I press. I think this is getting there. Did I put glue on this one yet? No. You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. Fingers crossed it works. And I'm not going to get too close to my hairline because again, I don't want to pull my hair out. I'm not experienced enough with this. I'm not experienced with this at all, really. To chance anything. I've been doing this for an hour, you guys. just get my hair out of my way. Got a giant forehead, so I'm not too worried about that. Good thing I have a year's supply of cotton balls. My chin looks a little crooked. I'm super surprised that you can go in when it's still wet like this, a big area, and kind of carve in these details. I was not expecting that. I don't know if I like the brow. I'm gonna look at some more pictures of the Grinch and I might get rid of the brow and just draw some on, or maybe just do like a thinner layer. Did any hairs come out? No. That feels great though. Oh. You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. I feel like I'm drooling. Oh. I just tried to smell it. Just like a paintbrush. Oh, pressed powder makeup. Oh, well, I did get this, and I also got a liquid. This is so liquidy. I'm scared. I think my paint should have been a little bit more yellow. It's fine. It's fine. Ooh, them jowls, no. Is it looking better or worse? Oh, I'll cover my face up again. Sorry. What am I doing with my life? I still feel like I'm drooling, but I'm not, as far as I know. It's so hard to hide that texture. Should I get the ears too? I mean, obviously, I'm not trying to be super accurate to the movie. I feel sexy. Oh, this is cool. Okay. Should this have been brighter the whole time? Probably. You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. I mean, It looks like freaking green cottage cheese up close, but this is my first time. I'm starting to break away from the latex. Yeah, his skin is more of a like a yellowy green to like brighten. Ooh! Is this looking better? My art teacher in high school, he taught me this little trick for like when you're creating anything with contrast to like squint, and it gives you that effect of like being a little bit further away and kind of seeing how contrast what your painting is. So this isn't a tutorial, but there's that. And Dr. Jewel, if you ever see this, kind of hope you don't, I use that all the time. Oh, oh. Is that good or bad? I still can't tell if this is good or bad. Okay, I mean, is it perfect? No. Do I wish it was? Yeah. This is just like loose wool that you get for like needle felting. That's what the shadow is for. And then it'll be, I just burped. Great, I really am the Grinch. Ooh. Oh, that's cool. Sure. That looks legit. Oh, look. My mouth. Oh no. Like my whole lip is separated. Where are you, Christmas? I'm just gonna paint under it. Eyelashes. How do people do this? Okay, so let's do this. This is distracting now. Oh, I just hit myself in the face. Oh no. Oh, abort! Abort! I mean, did that even do anything? Yeah, this isn't gonna stick down here. What? I'm the Grinch that stole Christmas. Alrighty, this is miserable. The eyelashes, no way. No. I didn't even have that one on all the way. And no. I'm happy with how this turned out. I'm the Grinch that stole Christmas. I can't get Jim Carrey's voice. I just wanted to play around with this whole, like, SFX thing. I wanted to participate in Halloween and I didn't. So hopefully this makes up for it. Honestly, I would love to turn this into a series. Oh, my neck popped. Time to cause some mischief. Look how awful this looks close up. I was losing my mind. Oh my god, it wasn't even recording! Ah! I hate my life. That was real. That wasn't even the Grinch, that was just me. I don't know what to do now. I hate myself. I probably give this like a 5 or 6 out of 10 because it turned out pretty good for it being my first time ever doing anything like this, and I would love to do this again, hopefully sooner rather than later. Oh, do you think it's time to take this off? Oh, I want to take it off so bad. Let's take it off, let's take it off, take it off. That's a look. What? Oh. Well, there's that. Look at the back. Oh my god. That's really cool. I look insane. This is another kind of little critique as far as like, because this is my first time ever doing this, like I said. I do want to do this again because I think this is something fun. I would love to like be able to like do up me and my friends and stuff for Halloween. Or like just to have like a fun little photo shoot sometime. I'm going to save this. So I do want to give this a go with something else in the future. I don't know what yet. Oh, that's so satisfying. Now this is what I'm not... Oh, this one didn't stay together. So yeah, I would love to turn this into a really fun series, something I do in the future. I'm just gonna stay like this, you know. I'm just gonna keep this for memory's sake. I might just mount it on the wall like this, you know. I don't even know if I finished all of my thoughts and whatever. I'm gonna go get this glue on my eyebrows and obviously get the green off me. If you liked how this video turned out, or you just enjoyed the adventure, then like and subscribe and whatever, you know, it's the internet. Do what you want. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making this, and just playing around with this. It is nice to be able to just have fun and do something just for the sake of making something, or, you know, having fun. I hope you enjoyed it at least half as much as I did. I want to do this again sometime, maybe not the Grinch. I feel like this was probably not what I should have done for the first time ever trying these techniques and doing this kind of thing. I want to do it again. So if you have any suggestions, if you want to find me anywhere else on social media, I am on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and obviously YouTube. My new handle is cblakeMake. I don't know what to say or do now. I hope you have a happy and Merry Christmas. Don't be a Grinch. I'm gonna stop talking now. And bye.